Hey gang, it's Leland's Apothecary Health and Beauty Hacks, and today we're going to discuss 100% pure nail polish, which is free from 10 different toxins. You know, you can have 3 free, 5 free, 7 free, but this one has 10, and it's really good. It actually lasts a long time. Let's discuss. So I really like new nail polishes because it kind of lengthens my fingers, I find. Just a little bit stubby kind of square hands. I find that after 4 days, it was still looking good. It kind of just looked like my nails were buffed nicely. Even with it wears down in a way that's not chippy. It doesn't like peel, it just kind of wears down, which I thought was really cool because I just want nice neutral looking nails. That's what I'm into. I do get my nails done sometimes with friends, you know, I'll just go and whatever. So this is really cool to have something that's quick and easy to just make my nails look neutrally, you know, this was so easy to do. I'll show you. I really like this color. It doesn't seem watery to me. It goes on smooth. Has the kind of sheen. It doesn't seem like it really needs a top coat. It's fabulous. So what's cool about 100% pure, this is not natural. You can have natural nail polish, but it is free from top toxins. The 3 main ones are formaldehyde, dibutyl phthalate, and toluene, right? So there's some natural nail polishes that are free from those specific 3. The other ones are camphor, formaldehyde resin, xylene, parabens, fragrances, phthalates, and animal ingredients. So all of those 10, 100% pure is free from. And it's cool that it actually stays on. Like I've used natural nail polishes before that peel off and they're kind of stretchy, and I don't really like that. I want this, so this goes on really nicely, and it's free from all those toxins. So that's, you know, trying to do less and less toxic things. They have an array of colors, and actually right now you can buy 5 of their nail polishes for $25. And that's pretty great. You can just use the code PARTY2018, and that's while supplies last, so you might want to check it out. The offer expires at the end of February 2018. This color is Aberdeen, and they've got a few other neutral colors. They don't have necessarily really crazy colors like blue. Do they? Oh no, they have some pastels. They have some blue. Cornflower, sea foam, green tea. They have some wacky colors. They have some with some shimmer, but most of the colors are pretty neutral, kind of pinky and, you know, kind of neutral. That's why I really like it, because they're so easy to go on and they look natural. They wear off natural, because when I'm not going to go get my nails done all the time. So, you know, I've done the gels a few times because they look nice for a while, but then I can't. It just messes your nails up. Or you can go in and they can grind it off. It just screws my nails up really bad. I don't feel like that it's not good for anybody, I'm sure. Put your hand in the little, you know, UV light, which I don't know. Doing that often has got to be bad for you. They've got nice colors. They've got some sparkles. They've got a top coat and a base coat. They've got a lot of different colors. So I'm gonna buy their neutral colors. This is great. I just like how it just looks natural, and the main thing is it's quick. It's so quick. This is 2 coats. This is 1 coat I did 4 days ago, and then it looked like this. These are my fingernails after 4 days. It still looks pretty nice to me. And then I just put another coat on, and it just looks great. It looks fine, doesn't it? It just looks nice. It looks like your hands are nicely manicured. That's it. Done. Nail polish is one of those things where it's hard to get non-toxic that actually lasts, and I think 100% pure does it really well. Somehow their formula really works. Pacifica is a good brand. There's a few different brands that are pretty good. Do you have a favorite non-toxic nail polish? Do you polish your nails? Sometimes I like just natural, neutral, you know, just nothing. It's great. Like how it's not too shiny. Anyway, so that's my latest. A little bit of 100% pure obsessed. A lot of their stuff smells like so fruity. Like their mascara smells like fruit, which is amazing. I really like their mascara too. And this is just No, I would almost expect this to smell like fruit, but it doesn't. It smells kind of It smells chemically, but it's not. It doesn't smell like, whoa, my nostrils are singed. It's not that bad. But you know, it can't be made of like fruit pigments. It can't be just made from fruit in order to stay on your nails. So anyway, so that's my latest, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoy the deck. Got some fur pillows. What do you think? Do you like this better than the kitchen? If you like that video, please give it a thumbs up, and you can subscribe for videos on Thursdays. We got lives on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Pacific time. And if you click the bell next to the subscribe, you can get notified of those. Toluene. It's hard to get a natural nail polish that is, or not natural, but non-toxic, that is, it's hard to get in. And actually here, I'll show you. They've got an array. I'm waiting. Who knows? Anyways, maybe you have a